This is Taruk, the AP10, what we call the camera that flies. By using the AP10, you can take exquisite videos and photos from angles that would shock the world. The Taruk has one of the best flight control systems and wireless transmission systems in the world, which is developed by us. Looking complicated as it is, the AP10 is surprisingly easy to learn to control for someone with no experience. We had tested and altered the Taruk more than 1,000 times to ensure this. Taruk's flying speed can get up to 45 miles per hour, and with 4 10-inch propellers, the stability is just outstanding. The AP10 can fly well over 20 minutes in the air because of the built-in 5,300 mAh battery. Smartphones can be connected to the Taruk by Wi-Fi, and you can monitor and control the camera from there. There is a 120-degree wide angle, full HD camera on board the Taruk. The highest resolution for shooting a video is 1080p with 30 frames per second, but you can change the modes to 960p with 48 frames per second as you like. As for photos, it gets up to an amazing 16 megapixel. Again, the camera can easily be accessed from your connected smartphone. The onboard camera on the Taruk can be moved up and down 90 degrees from the remote control. This allows the Taruk to record things right underneath it. The camera can adjust itself from different flight positions, and for a more stable recording picture, we would suggest that you prioritize maneuvering the Taruk rather than moving the camera. The footage is transmitted back to your smartphone live through a Wi-Fi signal. This allows you to monitor the Taruk live and to feel as if you were up there. We also have a repeater for you to install additionally on the remote control. The distance transmitted of the live footage signal is increased by this. Like everyone to easily get their hands on this amazing Taruk, the AP10, so the price might just surprise you. Explore new visions, fly free, record free. This is what we from AEE would like you to experience by flying the Taruk AP10.